What's up, guys? We are back today. I got my head back from the machine shop. Today I'm going to be diving into it again. I actually dropped it off in the morning and they called me back within like 2 hours to tell me it was all ready to go. All they had to do was flatten deck the surface and hot tank it, yes. But I thought that was still pretty cool because I know there are machine shops out there that take forever and a day to get stuff done. So shout out to United Speed World for a quick turnaround on this stuff. Freaking incredible, guys. We're gonna be putting the valves back into this head, valve springs, putting it all back together, make sure everything goes together right, clean it up really good. Stick with it. I mean, at least you'll learn something. Hopefully, maybe if you don't already know it, you'll relearn it. Alright, United Speed World, I take my shout out back. This was supposed to be hot tanked. Doesn't look like it was done very well. As you can see, there's dirt all over on the side. They did deck the surface, which looks fine and dandy, but it was probably in the machine wash tank, hot tank, whatever you want to call it, for a couple minutes, and that was it. The top looks good, the bottom looks good, but the sides have all sorts of crap all along them. Doesn't look like it was very well inspected after it came out of the hot tank. So they said I could drive it back down there. It'd take about 2 hours in the machine wash, and then I'd have to drive back, which would be about half a day. I don't know if I want to spend that kind of time. I don't think it would be worth it. I think I'm just gonna eat this one and just carry on with the work. It's not gonna kill me that it's still dirty, but it would be nice to have some clean parts to work with. That's all. Sucks, but it is what it is. And we're back. Got my Honda head here, the VTEC ITR head. Gonna start reinstalling all the valve springs, valves, keepers, valve stem seals, so on and so forth. Actually, I almost forgot we have all new valve stem seals going into it. So, got the valves lapped. They're all looking spicy. Valves have been soaking in diesel this entire time. So I'm just gonna pull those out, hose them down with some brake clean, and reinstall them. Let's get to it. So we got the valve stem seal installer. Look, 20 bucks on Amazon. Slide that right on there. Ta-da. Intake seals are brown. Exhaust seals are blue. Do not do what I just did. And install a blue one on the brown side. Blue one on the intake side. So we got intake. All right, so we're gonna put the valves in now. Alright, so we got this, and we're gonna go ahead and put valve springs in first. We'll do two at a time here. So we got these two. Alright. I didn't think I would have to do this, but I gotta get something sticky. Some grease. Bearing grease usually helps, I know. I didn't want to, I'm just being stubborn. So fidgety, I couldn't keep my hands straight. Then I forgot how to do this. It's been so long. Little tricks. Keepers, man. Kill you every time. Alright, time for the fun part. Maybe not quite the fun part. Very important and very easily forgotten. O-ring and dowel pin. They go right here. Nice and simple. Here we go. Spray this down. Oh my god, you guys. I'm an idiot. You're an idiot. I forgot one thing. Ugh, can't believe it. I need a plug. This is where my distributor goes. I need a cam plug. I can't believe I didn't order one. So much for the head being fully assembled today. I'll be able to get at least most of it done. Oh well. Let's finish it up. Get it mostly ready. We got 20 foot-pounds on the 12 millimeters. And then I believe it said 7 on the 10 millimeter bolts there. Alright, here we go. $19.9. I'd say that's there. Alright, so I got one more thing I'm going to do for the VTEC conversion. Pulled the bung out of here. It should have been like a 6mm Allen key. Socket, screw, socket, cap, whatever you want to call it. Remove that. I'm going to put this guy in it. It is an NPT to 6AN. I'm going to have to make my own 6AN line to go down to the oil feed, which will be bolted to the block in front of the oil filter. So, I'm going to go ahead and put some Teflon tape on this, screw this down on top of that, and that should be it for today. I would say this thing is ready to go. I'm just going to wait for the cam cap, the cam plug. Should be good. Look at that nice Teflon seal. I'm gonna say that should be good. Hang tight, boys. We're gonna have a VTEC CRX here in a couple weeks. Gonna be a little ripper. I got a couple more things I'm gonna do today. I have here some Skunk2 goodies. Nice billet VTEC solenoid from Skunk2. Who would have guessed? Small rant here. Why would you sell such a thing, right? Like, this is nice. It's a nice piece, right? But there's nothing on the inside. So what they want you to do is take your old VTEC solenoid off your Honda head and pull it apart and install the guts into here, right? No big deal if you have all that stuff to begin with. Yeah, I probably didn't read the description very well, but come on. That's it. This is it. This is it, guys. This is what makes the VTEC go blah. Blah. I can't believe this. This is so dumb. This is so stupid. Make sure that plunger and O-ring stay in there where they need to. That should do it. Next up, we got the oil pressure switch. Originally it is an O-ring, which at first I was unaware. It's not an NPT plug, so what you'll need is some sort of seal. And Skunk2 solenoid, Skunk2 provides crush washer with their solenoid, so you just throw that on there like that and screw it on down. I'm gonna put a wrench on it because I already tightened this down. I don't feel like taking that off, but yeah, that's pretty much it, boys. Just gonna do that. Suppose I could install it on the side of the head. Do I really need to? Not really, but I think that'll be enough for now. Alright, so it's been a couple days. I got a haircut, the cam plug arrived. I never filmed an outro for this video, so we're gonna wrap this video up with the same day that I am going to be pulling apart the Honda. That's right, folks, it is D-Day. Honda's getting torn down. We're getting the VTEC head put on. We're gonna do it all in one day. Obviously it's taken me a couple days to disassemble and reassemble the head, but aside from all that, we're gonna install this right now. I'm gonna finish up this video with the cam plug, and then next video you see, this head will be on that car, and hopefully it will be popping mad VTEC. So follow along, stay tuned. We'll catch you next time.